Welcome to the course Vibe Coding with Python in 1 hour. The goal of this course is to help you learn how to create apps without mastering code. What you will learn in this course: you will learn how to use LLMs to create real applications for personal use or more. You will get results in minutes from prompt to completion. The key differences with classic courses is that in this course you don't need to learn code syntax in details, and also that it won't take hours. The curriculum of this course allows you to start anywhere or follow the learning curve. The first part focuses on simple code that runs in a single file. It also introduces the use of libraries, which require a simple download within the code editor. In the next part, we focus on the use of APIs. The use of API often requires registration with the provider of the service. Last, the course includes a number of examples combining libraries, APIs, to illustrate the type of project you can build by combining several of those technologies. The goals of the course, quite simply, is to show you how to unlock the power of Python's free libraries and APIs. It will give you a tool belt of the most useful and fun functions. It will illustrate how to jerry-rig those into practical things and teach you enough to be dangerous. Once you understand how to use LLMs and integrate in your thinking both libraries and APIs, you will be able to create all kinds of programs to help you be more effective, even for one-time use.